Good morning, student. Welcome to social science classes. As in the last class itself, I said that social science is a very interesting subject. In the last class, we had gone with geography, chapter 1, the earth in the solar system. In this class, we will start with civics. So, one more time, I would like to repeat. For geography, as I instructed, you have to make a practical copy. For civics, you have to make a separate copy, that is single line copy. So, first discuss that what is civics. Let's discuss with the name of your civics book, social and political life. So basically in civics you will know about social and political life. So let's discuss what is social and what is political life. A man is social animal. It is said that a man is social animal because if you remember long years ago, long centuries ago, when the human civilization started, the humans used to live together. That means when they used to hunt, they used to live together. What I want to say, बहुत बहुत साल पहले जब मानव जाति शुरू हुई थी, उस वक्त सारे इंसान एक साथ रहते थे. वो एक झुंड में एक साथ रहकर शिकार किया करते थे. And the time passed, and today also you will find that man is living in a social life. Social means with everyone with together. For example, if you are ill, you will go to a doctor. If a doctor want to make his home, he has to go and meet engineer. If engineer wants some legal help, he has to go to a lawyer. If lawyer want to purchase something, he has to go to a retailer's shop. In this way, one human is connected to other human in different way. That is called a social life. And in civics, we will discuss, you will know about rules for living in a society. That if you have to live in a society means people living together. So if you have to live in a society, you should know the rules of it. The study of the rights and duties of a citizenship. That you know that what is your right. You have a right to take education. You have right to speak your own language, to practice your own religion. So in civics, you will know about what is the rules for living in the society and what is your rights and duties as a citizen. मतलब अगर आप भारत के नागरिक हैं तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपके राइट्स और ड्यूटीज क्या क्या है. First chapter in your civics is understanding diversity. So basically in this chapter you will come to know that what is diversity. Diversity का मतलब होता है भिन्नता, अलग अलग. If I ask what is diversity, suppose just take your example of your class. अगर मैं आपके क्लास में सबको बोलूँ आज शाम को 6 बजे आपको मेरे घर में आना है, टुडे इज़ माई बर्थडे, you all will come in different clothes. The girls will wear frock, skirt, jeans. The boys can wear knickers, jeans, trousers, and you will all come in a different clothes. You will all bring me a different gift. If I ask what you would like to eat in the party, each one of you may give a different answer. Some will say that they want dhokla, some will say that they want puri sabji, some will say that they want some sweet, some ice cream. So you can see that each one of you is different from other. You are different from the other students, although you all are in class 6. Definitely, आप लोग सब class 6 में हैं, but you all are different from one another. So that is called diversity. To have a better understanding of diversity, one activity is given in the first page of chapter 1. Basically that page number is 3, but the first page of chapter 1, the activity is that a small space is provided in your book. एक छोटी सी जगह दी है आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में. आप उस टेक्स्ट बुक में आपको एक बच्चे का फोटो बनाना है. एंड व्हेन यू विल एनालाइज, you will find that there is lot of difference in the photo which you have made and the photo which the other students have made. One story is also given. The story is about Samir Ek and Samir Do. Let's have a glimpse of a story. Once, one boy was selling newspaper in the footpath. One boy was selling newspaper in the footpath. The other boy came and he asked for the Hindi newspaper. At that time, the boy who was selling newspaper, he said that, "Do you know to read Hindi?" At that time, the other boy said, "Yes, I know to read Hindi. I have a subject, Hindi, in my school." At that time, the boy who was selling newspaper, he said, "What is subject?" At that time, the other boy was puzzled. इसको सब्जेक्ट भी नहीं पता. At that time, जो बच्चा अखबार बेच रहा था, वो बताता है कि वो आज तक कभी स्कूल नहीं गया. At that time, the second boy said कि हम स्कूल जाते हैं और हमारे स्कूल में एक सब्जेक्ट होता है हिंदी. So I can read, I can write, I can speak Hindi. After some days, the boy who was selling the newspaper, he said, "My name is Samir." At that time, the other boy said, "My name is also Samir." So both were Samir. So they together decided that the boy who was selling the newspaper, he will be Samir Do, and the boy who purchasing newspaper, he was Samir A. So एक दिन क्या हुआ, समीर एक देखता है कि समीर दो बहुत निराश था. तो समीर एक ने जब रीज़न पूछा तो समीर दो ने बताया कि वो इस शहर में अकेला रहता है. एंड हिज मदर यूज टू लिव इन मीरठ एंड द मीरठ इज नाउ फेसिंग अ रॉइड्स. रॉइड्स मतलब दंगे. सो समीर दो जो था वो उस दंगों के कारण बहुत परेशान था. एट दैट टाइम समीर दो सेड दैट ही बिलोंग्स टू अ मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी and Samir Ek said he belongs to a Hindu community. So Samir Do was a Muslim, Samir Ek was a Hindu. The next day when Samir Ek came to purchase the newspaper from the footpath, he found that Samir Do was not there. Samir Ek was searched Samir Do for many days, but he was not able to find Samir Do. So you will see that in this story, although both the boys, they were of same age and they were of same name, but still there were many differences. Samir Ek was Samir Ek belonged to a good family. He was rich. Samir Do was a poor. Samir Ek used to go to school. Samir Do, he had never seen school. Samir Ek was Hindu. Samir Do was Muslim. But still you will see that although there was so many differences between Samir Ek and Samir Do, but still they were friends. This is also one example of diversity. Although diversity means bhinnata, but still this difference, this diversity is very good for your life. Yes, it add many things to your life. So let's discuss. We meet people with different languages. Definitely you like to watch English film, Hindi film, Tamil film, Punjabi film, Chhattisgarhi film. So you people also enjoy meeting to the people with different languages. Also you take little much of pleasure by learning new and different languages. We enjoy large variety of food, as some of you like dhokla, which is basically from Gujarat. Most of you like chole bhature, that is from Punjab. Many of you like idli and dosa, that is from Chennai. So we are able to enjoy diversity. We are able to get different variety of foods. Celebrate different festival. We are really lucky. We celebrate Diwali. We light lamps in our house in Diwali. We play Holi. We enjoy with the color. We also celebrate Christmas. We make Christmas tree and give Christmas present. We also celebrate Eid. We enjoy the very tasty sevai. So in this way, we are able to celebrate different festival because of diversity. We also enjoy different dance and music form. Definitely, my favorite is Punjabi music. I love to dance in Punjabi music. Many of you may like to play Garba during Navratri. In this way, we are able to enjoy different dance and music forms. Variety of dressing style. As you can see that India is having variety of dressing style. Some wear sari, some wear salwar suit, some wear dhoti kurta. In this way, we have a large variety of dressing style. So, in this way, number of things is added to our life because of diversity. In the next class, we will discuss about diversity in India and unity in diversity. So, till then, stay safe, and in the next class, we will meet.